Rainy One. Well, today I wanted to take you on our little road trip. It was a quick turnaround trip for us. It was a little bit over a 5-hour drive for us to get to LA. We wanted to go to the Fabric District, and I wanted to visit some vegan restaurants that I have been wanting to visit for a while. And Sis Rena found a new favorite vegan restaurant. They serve breakfast, and so we're talking right now, trying to find out where we're going to go, and that's where we end up going. And I hope you check out some of these restaurants. Hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. As we were driving, Sis Nasaya was saying she's never seen it so empty looking, but you know, with the that thing that has been going on. But honey, I didn't care. I was actually happy that it wasn't a lot of traffic, it wasn't a lot of people, and we got to go wherever we wanted to go without too much traffic. This is the place that I'm talking about, honey. Yes, okay? You better get on this right here. If you ever go to LA, the food was amazing. This is what's called My Vegan Go Edition. Get up on this, okay? We went here twice, coming and going. Okay, so first we have this French toast, brioche French toast. I know it looks funny with Oreos on it, but honey, trust and believe, it was the bomb. It was crunchy. It had I think a coconut flake crust and coconut whipped cream and coconut syrup, and it wasn't too sweet, even with the Oreos. And then they had the just egg omelet with vegetables in it, and the super crispy, light and airy potatoes, and what do you call it? It's not everything burger. The sausage was made out of, I should have planned this in advance, honey. Impossible, okay? Impossible. And everything was delicious. It was just so good. They had freshly squeezed orange juice. We really enjoyed ourselves.
This is all like accessories,
trim and stuff.
Yeah.
Well, let's see if they have something that we want to put on the garment. that's too thick. Oh. I think I'm just gonna roll with that. Is this blue? Is this blue?
Yes. Black.
Is that blue or black? Oh, it is black. It's hard to tell in that sunlight though.
What about this kind of blue? No, I don't go.
It's not so black.
See, but since that's a black affair, that's good. That makes that fun.
No, they're both black.
Let's see what else kind of material they got. Okay, so we did the fabric district for a few hours. It was evening. It was time for us to get some food. We were pretty much starving by this time. So we're going to head off to Gracias Madre. Now this is a restaurant that they have a franchise in San Francisco, which we've been to several times and enjoyed it. So but I wanted to experience the restaurant here, and I'm so glad that we all decided to go. The menu was a little bit different, but the environment and the food was just like, I never want to go back to San Francisco, the one, just because they can't even compare to the one in LA.
Smell good. It smell good. It smell good. We going to, what's it?
Gracias.
No, Gracias Madre.
We really didn't have plans to dine in. We were going to grab our food and take it back to our hotel. And when we found out there was a dining in, you know, on the outside, we wanted to stay, but we had to make a reservation. And it just so happened that everything fell so smoothly that we were able to get seated right away, even without a reservation, and we enjoyed the atmosphere. It was cold. It was a cold night, but they had the lighting and the heating system. They had the fireplace. It was just, it made it warm and cozy, even though we were sitting outside. I'm sorry that it's dark, but I really did want to show you our food and the atmosphere in case you have been to that Gracias Madre in San Francisco. Not to say that it's not good. I'm just saying this is the level up version. Everything was delicious. Chips were good, homemade. They were different from the other ones in the San Francisco restaurant. I had some type of water kefir. It was delicious. The lights were beautiful. Sis Nasaya had, oh, that's what I'm getting when I go back next time. It was some type of, you can't really see it good here, but it was like a crispy mushroom mole. The sauce was good. The mushrooms were crispy. And it was on top of some veggies. I think Sis Rena had the fajitas, a vegetable fajita, the homemade tortilla shell, or whatever you want to call it. And then I had my food. Actually, I don't even think I took a picture of my food, but I had a wet burrito, which was delicious. And everything was good. We were stuffed. I wanted to get this dessert, but we were all just too full. So that was Gracias Madre. Now we are headed back to the hotel. First off, making a stop at Sprouts, which is right around the corner.
I mean, during the week.
Hey, I didn't record any more of what we did last night, but this is the next day. We're heading home, but we're stopping off at the Donut Friend. This is the reason why my husband let us go on this trip. No, I'm just playing. But I wanted to go to get him some vegan donuts. Every place we went to was vegan, by the way, if I did not say. But because I don't really like donuts, but honey, when I went here and tasted the donuts, everything was fresh. You have to go early or they will sell out. They got them all right here so you can see and what they got in them and the ingredients. Oh, matcha glazed black tea. He said he don't like glazed donuts, so he gonna want the s'mores. He gonna want the caramel. And they ain't got no plain. Right.
Can I have this one too? Hopefully it'll fit in that box. Would it fit in that box?
Or do you want that one in your hand? You want to eat it all the way?
Okay, I'll take it.
We just got back in the car, honey, and this donut is warm. I don't like, first of all, I don't really care for donuts, okay? I'm a cut cake sister, okay? But this donut. Oh my God. So what's all in there?
Spinach, mushrooms, onions, egg, potatoes, and avocado.
Did you get the sausage?
Oh, and I put the sausage in there too.
We were on our way home, so we wanted to get breakfast quick, something that was easy to grab and eat. And so Sis Rena remembered that restaurant we went to when we first got there, they had these wraps, which were the bomb. I'm telling you, this restaurant, honey, I would just drive all the way to LA to get whatever I got last time that I showed you. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the sisters for going with me. I had so much fun. Everything was perfect. Thanks so much, everybody. Stay raining.